Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech Made Easy YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we can embed Calendly in Divi Page Builder. So what I have done, I have logged into my Calendly account and I have created a blank page in my WordPress account. I am using Divi Page Builder. So what I will do, I will click Edit with Divi Builder. This will open my Divi Builder and I'll select build from scratch. If you already have a page in place, this option won't come there. So what I will do, I will add a new row here, and inside this row, I will add code. So this is the code that I have added. Now if I'll go to Calendly, let's say this is the event that I want to embed on my website. So I'll click share and I'll click then add to website. So first of all, we will see how to embed inline. So click embed inline and click continue. This is the code. Upon clicking it, just copy it. So I have copied my code. If you want to adjust the background color, the text color, the button and link color, you are free to do so. I'm not doing it here. So let me go back here and I'll just paste this code here and click this. Okay, save changes. It may happen that you won't see anything here, but that's all right. Click these three dots and just save it. That's it, my page is saved. Now if I refresh this page, you can see that my Calendly appointment booking has appeared on this page. It's that simple to add inline Calendly appointment booking. Now after this, let's try. So let me just click back. Let's try widget pop-up. So I'll click widget pop-up, continue. Again, let me just grab this code, and what I will do, I will just delete this. I'll click plus here, or let me just get rid of whole row. I'll add new row, add code in it, paste the code here, click OK. Again, you may not see anything here, but that's all right. Click save and let's refresh the page. You can see that a pop-up button has appeared on this page, schedule time with me, and if you click this, a pop-up will open where you can actually select the appointment. So this will be a fixed kind of a button that will keep floating on your page. If this is what you want, then you should select widget pop-up. Now let's try text pop-up. So text pop-up, click continue. Let me just grab this code. I'll go back. I'll remove this row. I'll add one new row, add code in it, paste the code, click OK, save it, and now let's refresh the page. And if I click schedule time with me, it should open a pop-up. Similar behavior as widget pop-up. Only the thing is, this is not a floating button. It kind of blends into your text, whereas in the previous case it was a floating button. So this is how easy it is to embed Calendly into your WordPress site that is using Divi Page Builder. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and keep looking out for more such videos. If you have one such tech request, you can drop them in the comments and I'll try to make such tech videos for you. After all, we are Tech Made Easy. Thank you so much for tuning in.